Have a soft spot for someone or something to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom, our expression related to relationships today is to have a soft spot for someone or for something. It was first recorded in 1753, and I'm not sure exactly where it came from. Obviously, it was around before 1753 to be used in writing and recorded, but I'm not sure exactly what the origin of it was. It wasn't clear according to the internet. So, what does it mean? To have a soft spot for someone means that you have a preference or a favor for something or something. You have a sentimental weakness, is what the definition said, or a strong liking for something or someone. I have a soft spot for teddy bears. I personally have a soft spot for caramels. I have a soft spot for my grandchildren and my kids, of course, and for a lot of other things. We have, as human beings, preferences and choices that we make for people we do business with. And we tend to do business with people that we like or that we have something in common with. I found, and I was going to talk about things like branding and products and services that we provide, but what it really, and market share, and how do we, being first and fastest to market with different products and services. But bottom line, the fastest, easiest way and the most important way to get your desired ideal customers to have a soft spot for you is to pay attention to the customer experience and how you make them feel. If I think about the brands and the customers and the go-to businesses that I personally do business with, it's because I've had a great experience or a strong emotional connection to them. And they may have created that in the environment and the experience that they have. Think of a restaurant, your favorite restaurant. Why do you go there? It's because you probably had great experiences and great times, great service, great food there. Now, there are millions of restaurants that provide good food, good service, great food, great service. But why do you go back to the same ones over and over again? One of the best ways to figure out how to supersize and grow our business is to look at the way we like to do business, right? And we create the things that we love about other businesses in our business. And the other thing that comes to mind is you got to really care about the people you serve, because it shows. It shows in your business culture. It shows in the way you treat your employees and your people and the people that you do business with. It shows in whether you've created a nice customer experience for people or not. If you really care, it shows through. So we could talk for hours about all of the tips, tricks, and strategies you could use to convince people that you're the number one go-to person and brand. We could do millions of dollars worth of branding, but bottom line, if the customer experience isn't there, if they don't think that you really care, all of it is for nothing. So share in the comments below, what do you personally have a soft spot for, and have you found ways to incorporate that into your business and growing and supersizing your business? The really secret way to do that is to be you, 100% authentically you in your business, and that way people know what to expect, and that attracts the perfect people for you for your business. All right, that's it. Have an awesome day, and I'll of course be with you tomorrow with another relationship related idiom. Bye.